Derus, I will buy you chocolate if you answer the question correctly. What's the Tagalog of I don't know?
Di ko alam.
Huh?
That's Tagalog.
You will not get the chocolate because you don't know the Tagalog of I don't know. What's the Tagalog of I don't know? Ah, Derus, sa Tagalog.
Sabi ko, di ko alam.
Oh man!
Tata Tagalog.
Ano? Again.
Di ko alam.
What's the Tagalog of I don't know?
Di ko alam.
Ha?
Di ko alam.
Di mo alam? Oh no. Sayang ang chocolate. Hindi mo alam.